Okay, it's Thursday. It's August 1st. We're in the middle of a heat wave in south central and southeastern PA, New Jersey, Delaware, where temperatures climbed close to 100 in Philadelphia today, in the upper 90s. Actually, it shows here mid 90s, but it got into the upper 90s. As we go through the nighttime hours, you can basically see. We'll back this up a little bit, but you can see where there's actually some thunder showers and sprinkles and whatever going on. It cools the air really quick. And as we get to around, I'll put this around 8 o'clock, you can see the I-95 corridor is still upper 80s and 90s. Other areas where some showers might have taken place, they're not as hefty as the simulated radar shows. So some of these areas may not get into the 70s that you see here. And then as we get into the overnight hours, you can see if you watch out here, you look out here towards Pittsburgh, you can actually see a change in temperatures as a front starts to come through in some rain. Now, this takes you to around 8 o'clock in the morning. And if you flip this over and to there, you can see there's your rain around 8 o'clock in the morning, um, west of State College and all the way out towards Pittsburgh and Erie. And so it has made the air temperature drop because of that. Let's see if we can get that back to that. And you can still see where it's dry. Temperatures don't go too far down tonight. They stay in the lower 80s in the I-95 corridor. As we get through the daytime hours tomorrow, it heats back up in the I-95 corridor, Delaware, New Jersey, back into the mid 90s again, except with the precipitation that's crossing the state and clouds. And this is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's why your temperatures are lower. There's some thunderstorms right about now going through eastern PA, or at least not extreme eastern PA, but like Lebanon and heading up towards Williamsport now, and then out or towards New York, towards Buffalo. You can see that going on. So again, you can change the temperatures reflect. Here's your front, here's your rain, and here's your front right here as it comes through on Friday. Did I say Saturday? I meant Friday. And then as you move this on to around 8 o'clock in the evening on Friday, you can see temperatures for the most part have fallen into the 70s. A few areas where the sun comes back out in central PA, temperatures get back to around 80. Philadelphia, you're into the lower 80s. And then as we move this to Saturday, Saturday morning, it's around 6 a.m. Temperatures across the state, upper 60s to lower 70s, except by Philadelphia and heading up towards New York City. Temperatures stay in the mid 70s. If you're out in the beach area, temperatures are in the lower to mid 70s Saturday morning. And as we get during the Saturday daytime hours, you can see temperatures climb into the 80s, the 90s is kind of dropped back down. So we're reflecting middle 80s to upper 80s in Jersey and Philadelphia, and in central PA there in the lower 80s. Elsewhere, but we're in the 70s on Saturday. So not that all bad of a day on Saturday. And then as we move this on to Sunday morning, you can see temperatures drop into the upper 60s to lower 70s. And precipitation wise, let's go back and we'll run this through. Um, let's see here. Okay, so this is around midnight tonight. And this shows you tomorrow morning where that rain I showed you comes through western PA and then kind of holds together as it moves to the eastern part. And this takes you to around 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. It's going through Berks County into Allentown area. And then it moves off into extreme eastern PA around 5 o'clock and into northern New Jersey. And then it curves back out, and then some more storms scattered pull back up late in the evening around 8, 9 o'clock, and they move into the Delaware area, and you'll see that they're under the gun, Delaware and South Jersey a little bit, and also Pennsylvania can get some showers out of this. This takes you to around 4 o'clock in the morning. On Saturday, that rain moves through eastern PA into northern New Jersey as we get towards sunrise on Saturday, and then you're left with basically a front across here where showers and maybe a couple thunderstorms break out during the day on Saturday, but not widely spread. But as you get to around 6 o'clock, here's a line here from Selinsgrove on down through Harrisburg and south. And then here's another frontal line out here in western PA trying to spin through. and it leaves some scattered showers and thunderstorms as it does overnight Saturday night into Sunday.